Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Audacity, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and your audio file is loaded, you'll need to select the entire track. You can do this by double-clicking on the audio waveform or simply pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This ensures that the noise reduction process will analyze the entire recording. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This will open a drop-down menu with various audio editing options. From there, hover your mouse over Noise Removal and Repair, and then select Noise Reduction from the submenu that appears. This feature is essential for identifying and removing unwanted background noise from your audio. Once the noise reduction window opens, you'll see a button that says Get Noise Profile. Click on this button. What this does is allow Audacity to analyze a section of your audio and identify what the background noise sounds like. The software then uses this information as a reference to remove similar noise throughout your entire recording. After clicking Get Noise Profile, the window will close automatically. Now you need to select your audio again by pressing Ctrl+A or double-clicking on the audio waveform to ensure you're cleaning the entire recording. With your audio selected, go back to the top toolbar and click on Effect once more. Again, hover your mouse over Noise Removal and Repair and select Noise Reduction. This time, you'll need to adjust the settings to fine-tune how aggressively Audacity removes the noise. Look for the noise reduction slider and set it to anywhere between 8 and 12. You can manually type in the value or use the slider next to it to adjust. This controls how much noise reduction is applied to your audio. Below that, you'll see a setting called Sensitivity. Leave this at 6, as this is the optimal setting for most recordings. Next, look for frequency smoothing bands and enter 3. This setting helps smooth out the audio and prevents any harsh artifacts from appearing after the noise reduction is applied. Before fully committing to these changes, click the Preview button. This allows you to test how the noise reduction sounds on a small portion of your audio. Listen carefully to make sure your voice sounds natural and the background noise has been effectively reduced without making your audio sound robotic or distorted. If you're satisfied with how the preview sounds and your voice maintains its natural quality, go ahead and click OK in the bottom right corner. This will apply the noise reduction to your entire recording. However, if you're not satisfied with the result, you can simply go back to the noise reduction window and adjust the sliders until you achieve the perfect balance. And that's it. You've successfully removed background noise from your audio in Audacity, giving you a cleaner and more professional sounding recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.